Hi students, myself Shubhangi Kalyani. Today we are going to learn about uses of water. All living things, be it plants or animals, need water to live. We know that the water we use every day is fresh water. We use this water for drinking, cooking, bathing, brushing teeth, cleaning vessels, mopping the floor, washing clothes, and so on. We also need water to grow the plants in our gardens and fields. Plants need water for making food. Animals need water for drinking and bathing. Some plants and animals can only live in water. We have seen that all living things need water. What will happen if there is no water? Let us find out. If plants do not get water, they will start drying. What happens if we don't get water to drink? We will feel thirsty. If we don't drink water for a longer time, we may fall ill. We need to keep ourselves clean by taking a bath. Animals also need water. If they do not get water to drink, they too will become sick. Water is very important, so we should not waste water. What do you do with the leftover water in your water bottles? Do you throw it away? We should use leftover water in our bottles to wash hands or water plants. We all get water from rain. What happens if there is little rain? There will be less water. When we do not get enough water for our use, we have a shortage of water. Sometimes, due to the absence of rain for a longer time, a place may become completely dry. This is called a drought. During a drought, the land dries and cracks appear. Plants dry up as they do not get water. Animals die as they get nothing to eat or drink. The need for water is not the same for all living things. Kangaroo rats do not need to drink water. They live in dry and hot places. Camels need less water. They drink large amount of water at a time, then they can go for a long time without water. Elephants require a lots of water to drink, to bath and cool their bodies. Plants like cactus grow in dry areas and need less water to grow. Have you noticed that small plants dry out quickly? Find out the reason behind it. The need for water depends on the size of the body and types of activities done. We may drink more water after playing outdoors. The need of water also depends on the climate and season. In rainy season and in winter season, we need less water to drink. In summer season, we feel thirsty more often. My dear students, today we have learnt about the use of water for living things, the importance of water, the wastage and shortage of water, how the need for water differs in plants and animals. Thank you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.